Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make a drum roll in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is a home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can find the audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making a drum roll. Basically, guys, it's very easy. What we need to do first is go ahead and open up the drum instrument. So we're going to go and scroll until we find the drums right here. And now we can get started with selecting what kind of drums we have. If you click on the more sounds options, you can see it's going to open up this new menu right here where you can see we can find all the acoustic drums, electronic percussion, so on, all the options that we have that you can get started with using, so you can select whichever one you want. So I'm going to click on OK and open up my drums right here, and now I can get started with making my drum roll. Basically guys, as you can see, this is the recording menu where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle that's going to enable us to start recording. So what you want to do is click the big red circle and start playing your drums and your desired tune. After finishing the recording, clicking on Done, you can find your track right here in the upper left corner by clicking on the edit mode. That's going to open up this mixing mode right here. As you can see, we can find all the options we have, and here is the drums that we have played. So this is going to be our drum roll. Then you can go and tap on it and click on an edit to add even more keys, to play even more, and to manage it how it sounds so you can get your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.